So in this video we're going to be looking at grade 4 or 5 question on ratio and scale and recipes. So here is a list of ingredients for making 16 mince pies. The ingredients are given here and Elaine wants to make 72 mince pies. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is see if 16 is a factor of 72. So on my calculator I'm going to do 72 divided by 16. Not an exact factor, but it's 4.5 times bigger. Okay, so the thing that I could do is multiply each of these ingredients by 4.5 because that's my scale factor. So I'm going to do 240 times by 4.5, 350 times 4.5, etc. And that will get me the answer. So 240 times 4.5 is 1080. 350 times 4.5 gets me 1575. 100 times 4.5 is 450. And then 280 times 4.5 gets me 1260. So I've got all of those values. Now another way that I could do that is to work out how much of each ingredient I would need for one mince pie. So I could divide each one by 16. So 240 divided by 16 is 15. And then scale it up. So 15 times 72 will get me 1080. And I'm going to do that to check. So 350 divided by 16 gets me 21.875. And I'm going to times that by 72 now. And that gets me 1575. I'll do the same. 100 divided by 16 gets me 6.25. Times that by 72 gets me 450. 280 divided by 16 gets me 17.5, which I'd need for 1. Times that by 72, 1260. So I know that they're correct. Use that to try this question. Okay, so same thing again. I'm going to work out what my scale factor is. So 42 divided by 12, which gets me 3.5 this time. So it's 3.5 times bigger. So I'm going to do 220 times by 3.5. 500 times by 3.5. 120 times by 3.5 and 540 times by 3.5. And they're going to get me the values. So I've got 770, 1750, and again use your calculator for this, 420, and 1890. Okay, so if I wanted to check that, what I can do is I divide by 12 to work out the cost, the amount for 1. So I'm going to do 220 divided by 12 first, then times it by 42, and I should get the same answer. So I'm going to do 220 divided by 12 times 42, which is also 770. 500 divided by 12, which is 41.6 recurring, times 42 gets me 1750. 120 divided by 12 we know is 10, times 42 is 420. And then the last one, 540 divided by 12 is 45, times by 42, 1890. So I know that they are correct also.